Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Give it gas. Ah! Ah! Give it gas.
Kayla learning how to use her Jeep. There she goes. This is the first time, people, and you're watching it live.
Good job.
Good job. And she's in the passenger seat.
Mom, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Drive over there and get him. Drive over there and get him. Okay.
What? Phone? Ball? What color is that? What color is that ball? What color? Catch it. Can you say blue? Kayla in our front yard, 23 months, in her pull-up. Green. Red.
No way. Oh.
Oops.
Almost got it.
Austin is in here. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you got them all. I can't believe it, Kayla. Look
so cute. Oh, Kayla. Go, Kayla. Go.
I'll get it.
Oh, man.
It's okay, I'll get it. Back here. Put it back here. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay, get in the Jeep and drive. With your foot. Put on some music. Okay. Your seatbelt. Seatbelt. Sit right here. Seatbelt. There you go.
Ooh, that's better.
Seatbelt. Okay. All right. All right. Give it gas. Come on, Mom. Go. Gas.
Daddy, you should put the GoPro on it.
Come on, Mom. Keep going. Yeah.
Good job, Kayla.
You're doing it.
She's not looking.
Good job. Whoop. Okay, gas. Give it gas. Come on. Yay! That's what you ran into.
Mama.
So strenuous.
Put on your seatbelt.
Oh, we're gonna lose power.
Okay. Your seatbelt. Okay, hold on to the steering wheel. Okay, give it gas. Go. Gas.
You're stuck in a rut. This isn't 4x4.
put it in paper. Put it back there. Put it in your Jeep.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need to get your email.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Someone took a picture of you on 3 wheels at Bridgeport.
You what?
There's a picture of your Jeep. I thought it was your Jeep out at Bridgeport.
Might have been, yeah.
You were on 3 wheels coming over. Yeah, in my Jeep Club. Yeah, and they posted up like all the pics of the day, and like yours was one of them. I was like, oh, I need to get his email.
You're stuck.
Last time we were out there, it was
Yeah. Do you have your phone?
No.
No. Throw it in the mailbox.
yeah, next time I see you, I'll stop.
All right, cool, man. Bye, Mom. Go. Bye, Mom.
Oh, we caught that whole conversation on video.
Okay, check it. Lift it like this. Whoa.
Hey, you should have asked him about the
Oh, the
playground.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, shift it like this. Pull up. See? Pull it. Okay, let me see your hand. Like this. Okay, now go forward. Okay, let's go.
All right, can you guys wave?
Okay, bye.
Bye.